First, download the Bluecrew app on iOS or Android. It's free. Once installed, create your profile by providing your name, SSN for verification purposes, your skills, and your availability. You'll need to upload a photo ID for verification. Some shifts may require a background check, so be prepared for that. To complete the sign-up process, you'll take a quick skills quiz. Most users get instant approval, so you can start browsing shifts almost immediately. The whole process should take only about 10 to 15 minutes. Once you're signed up, set your preferences, like location, desired shift length, and minimum pay rate. Bluecrew uses geolocation to show you available shifts nearby. You can apply for shifts with a single tap. Employers review applications and approve workers based on their fit. Each shift listing includes important details like pay rate, averaging $15 to $25 per hour, duration, typically 4 to 12 hours, and any specific requirements, such as heavy lifting. Once approved, you'll check in using GPS, complete your assigned tasks, and clock out through the app. Payments are made via direct deposit or integrated services like PayPal, often within 24 hours.